Hi everyone. Another concept we're going to look at is the law of demand and how the demand curve is derived. If you look right now at this table, we have a demand schedule that shows this list of prices and quantities. So at 250, what this is telling us, 3 million bottles will be purchased. So you try to relate this to yourself. At $2, 4 million bottles will be purchased. At $1.50, 5 million bottles will be purchased. What you're noticing is, as the price decreases, people want to buy more of something. And if the price increases, let's say we go from $1 to $1.50, you notice that consumers want to purchase less of something. That right there is illustrating the concept of the law of demand. And as you notice, from this demand schedule, we draw this demand curve. It shows the price and quantity that consumers are willing and able to purchase. That's always important to note because remember, a consumer has to be willing, wanting it at that price, and then able to purchase it at that price. Now, you can even apply this to yourself because every different product, you have a different demand schedule based on your willingness and ability to purchase a product. Not every product people want. So that's kind of key on this. So if we look right here, you notice the demand curve is downward sloping given the inverse relationship between price and quantity demanded. Remember, as the price decreases, quantity demanded, so price decreases, consumers want more of it. Quantity demanded increases. Okay? Whoops. We look at this, and it's called, one of the terms that you'll see is quantity demanded. And it'll come back later on in the chapter, and it's looking at the amount of a good or service that a consumer is willing and able to purchase. It's going to be a little bit different than a change in demand. A change in demand is when the physical curve shifts to the right or to the left. A change in quantity demanded is related to one thing, price. So we have to relate this concept of the law of demand to ourselves. So think of a product in your daily life that as the price increases, you want to buy less of it. Now, when I apply that, I think of coffee. As the price increases, I want to buy less coffee. As the price decreases of coffee, I want to buy more coffee. That is an example of the law of demand. And I hope you enjoyed this little section on the law of demand and the demand curve.